So obviously you've been in this 20 years, right? And you could tell us some of your first stories and how you got into tech and all of it. But yeah, have there been any wisdoms that you want to share with people as you've grown from a junior to a senior and obviously lead and a powerful
Yeah,
communicator?
look, I'm going to keep harping on this position, I think, but I do understand that this is not a natural realm for technical people. I think particularly early in the career, maybe. I see a lot of patterns of engineers kind of going, I just need to be good at tech stuff. Like I need to solve problems in the tech domain. That's my value. That's my worth. The better I am at that, then I get to senior and I get to advance my career and get to grow. But I would say that even getting to senior, I think a really important component, which I'll keep banging on about for forever, I think, is just the being able to not only just do tech, but even at the simplest level, to be able to talk technical topics to non-technical people. That's just the simplest example, I think, of, you might be the smartest technical person in the world, in the room, in your team, but I think there's a particular skill where if you can actually communicate, relate with people, not just be in a technical realm, but be able to break out of that and connect it into other things. If it's like other people who have other ideas, if it's like around business leadership or commercial realities of what you're building, or the context, wider context of what you're building. Sometimes when you're working on tech, well, these days anyway, it's usually not just you on your own. It's with a team. Maybe there's multiple teams, and being able to like communicate across teams, with stakeholders, make them aware of like limitations or challenges, risks, things that kind of might put things at risk where what you try to achieve might not happen or might be at risk of not happening. I think being able to talk at that level is really important. And I think, I mean, I'm going to just go out there and say, if if you want to be a senior and above, you have to learn some of those skills. I don't think there's any way around it. But I think engineers early in their career do focus a lot on tech, which is maybe the right thing as well. Like, you've got to be good at your craft and solve problems with the tech tools. Uh, but I think, it's going to come at a certain point where people need to learn how to connect with people, how to communicate, how to express some of the things I talked about to really be able to make an impact, and be seen making an impact.